Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how can we apply a background to the Excel sheet. So the steps are very easy. Open an Excel workbook and then you need to go to the tabs. Go to the go to the page layout tab, which is present in the over here, and then you need to click on background in the page setup group, and then either you can please wait till you search or you can do it offline. So I'll search from a Bing image. So I'll search birthday for instance. Let's check what comes in birthday. So I'm clicking on insert this birthday image. It'll take a little bit time to insert depending on the version of your Excel. Like sometimes the Excel doesn't respond or sometimes it works. As you can see, it worked for me perhaps. Over here in the side it worked for me. It came in the bottom. If you can see. So this is good, cool, right? Now I'll show you how to do from normal laptop images. So first, if you want to add, you need to delete the previous background. So you need to click on delete background in page setup in page layout tab. So you have to click and now it's deleted. You need to now click on background, and then taking too long you can work offline. You need to click on that, or you can from a file you can click on browse and see. And then you need to click on browse, and when we click on browse you need to go wherever your it is available the picture. So like my picture, one picture is available, you need to click on insert. So it is inserted. It comes like if the picture is small enough for fitting this much size, it's great. It would be great. And the picture is inserted, as you can see. Isn't it cool? Wonderful, right? So thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And if you want to see more Excel tricks like this, then you need to do one favor for me. You need to just hit the subscribe button and just punch out the like button and share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.